Hey, what's going on guys? It's Joyce here. Today's video will be about affiliate marketing basics beginner's guide. A couple of weeks ago, I already did a video series explaining affiliate marketing as detailed as possible, and you can actually find the videos here and in the description box. However, in today's video, I'll be super brief and direct to the point as I tell you what affiliate marketing is, how it actually works, and how affiliate marketing can actually help you make money online. I also tell you what you can start using to get started right away with affiliate marketing. So let's get started. This is how affiliate marketing works. It works on recommendation. It's you partnering up with companies who have amazing products or services. You receive a special link called an affiliate link, and you recommend these products or services to someone via that affiliate link. And when they buy, you are paid a commission. So as an affiliate, if you promote a company's products or service, you are compensated for the troubles in bringing in more customers for that particular business. Big companies like Amazon, eBay, Walmart, Booking, Agoda, and so on offer affiliate programs for affiliates to partner with. This is essential for a business. The more a business gets customers, the more it grows, and affiliate marketing helps in that. Now, for you to understand how it works in details, let's have a good look at this. So let's say there is a guy called Tom. He wants to buy a comfortable mattress. He goes on the internet and starts doing research in mattresses that he can buy. He finds that there is a comfortable mattress called Spongy Comfy Mattress and wants to buy it. And this is where affiliates come in place. So let's say you are an affiliate of this Spongy Comfy Mattress and you have created contents that are giving value about this mattress. Maybe because you already bought it, used it, and you're describing how it has helped you or others. And it can be maybe you sleep well, you get rid of tiredness, or have an amazing time with your partner. And these contents can be in form of blogs, YouTube videos, TikTok videos, or Facebook business page, or simply valuable contents that are online and give value on that particular thing you're promoting, which in this case is Spongy Comfy Mattress. And this guy, Tom, when researching, he finds your contents and chooses to eventually buy from you. So when he clicks on your affiliate link, he goes to the company's website and buys the mattress there. The company knows that someone came and bought through your link and will compensate you accordingly. And this compensation is known as affiliate commission. Now, when you look at this, there are three people who are happy here. First is Tom. He got value from your contents and saw how the information you have provided have helped him. So he's happy. He was able to actually acquire something he wanted. Second is the mattress company. They were able to acquire a new customer, and this allowed them to make a sale and grow. Third is you. You actually got an affiliate commission. So this is how affiliate marketing works. And if you're getting value so far, smash the thumbs up button for me. This will actually help in the algorithm of the video to help reach more people. Now, the advantages of affiliate marketing is you don't have to create any products or services to sell. You're not responsible for any sales processes. You do not need to have any sort of inventory. You're not responsible for any customer support or customer fulfillment. The only thing you need to focus on is simply to market. And you market by creating and publishing valuable contents. These contents are what you call passive income. You can create a piece of content and you still make money from it for years to come without you having to do any additional work. This type of income does not really have to do with the number of hours you put in. If you look at a job, for instance, you are paid a fixed amount for your 9 to 5, and if you put in more hours as overtime, you will be paid accordingly. So the more additional hours you put in, you are paid for that. But with affiliate marketing, all you're doing is creating valuable contents and still be paid for weeks, months, or even years to come without you having to do any additional work later on. Now, the best part of affiliate marketing is once you start seeing results, you can even scale it by running ads or even partner up with other companies and rinse and repeat the same process to make more money. These products or services can be in the same market or niche or something different that maybe you're going to try or buy later on, and create contents around them. The more contents you create that give value on the things or about the things people are looking to purchase, the more sales you're going to make passively as an affiliate. Now, what types of content are you going to put on the internet? Remember this, People are always looking to move away from some kind of pain, and they are looking for ways to move towards pleasure. However, they are wanting to move away from pain more than moving towards pleasure. So your contents need to help them move away from that pain they are currently in. Now, what strategies are best suited for you to publish your contents? There are two ways you can put your contents in front of people: the free way and the paid way. If you market through paid ways, that is running ads, you need to have a sufficient budget for testing your ad campaigns. But if you choose the free way, which is what I recommend people who are starting with affiliate marketing to begin with, is you simply have to select a platform of your choice to publish, and you just have to create content over there and publish. And like I mentioned earlier, it can be by doing blogs, YouTube videos, or social media marketing like Facebook, TikTok, or Instagram. So whenever someone is searching on the web for a particular thing that you have created content of as an affiliate, they can actually find your content on search engines like Google or YouTube. And to be honest, being an affiliate marketer is not chasing people, it's serving the right people with the right solution. The right people to serve as an affiliate are the people who actually type certain keywords on search engines like Google, Bing, Yahoo, or YouTube. These people are called search-based organic traffic, and these are the people that we as an affiliate we want to work with, because they are already looking for solution to get themselves out of pain. And you as an affiliate, you just create contents that will help them. I also want to put an emphasis on something really important. Never promote a product or service that you haven't bought yourself or used or tested yet, because it may take weeks or months for someone to actually trust you, but it can also take a few minutes to never trust you again. Next point I want to cover is about the types of products or services you're going to promote as an affiliate, as well as your affiliate partners, that is, the companies or people you're going to partner with. So there are two products: physical, digital. To be honest, I encourage people to promote digital products over physical products. The reason is because digital products involve a very low overhead cost compared to physical products, thus implying that you can get high affiliate commissions with digital products compared to physical ones. But that doesn't mean you're not going to make money promoting physical products. Many affiliates have been successful promoting Amazon or eBay products, which are physical products. When you partner up with your affiliate partners, you should always make sure that they, number one, have a very good affiliate compensation program, two, have high converting low and mid ticket products or services, three, have at least one high ticket product of a very high value, four, a great sales team to close customers, five, a great customer support, six, cater for customer fulfillment, and seven, provide marketing materials for you to promote as an affiliate. One of the companies I know and I have tried myself is Legendary Marketer. It is an educational platform for people wanting to start or scale a profitable business. And it actually has everything mentioned here, especially the high ticket product that actually helps you make $1,000 per sale. I have actually left a link below this video where you can get started with. Also, you can actually find other companies to partner with in affiliate networks like ClickBank, Warrior Plus, Share a Sale, and so on. These affiliate networks offer digital products, so you can be sure that you will be compensated handsomely. However, for me, Legendary Marketer is a very good place to get started with and be an affiliate of. So this brings us to the end of this video of Affiliate Marketing Basics Beginner's Guide. Give me a comment if you found value in this video and share what were your takeaways. And do give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to know more about affiliate marketing tips or marketing in general, as well as how to make money online and escape to a freedom lifestyle. This is Joyce Meettoo signing out. See you on the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.